From a bedroom comfort perspective, here is what matters most. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. What if I told you there's a way to transform your home into a serene oasis, and it's as simple as lighting a candle? The Fissiworx Vanilla Scented Candle Set is the answer to all your relaxation prayers. This stunning candle set is not just a pretty face, it's packed with features that will make you wonder how you ever lived without it. The vanilla scented candle itself is a game changer, filling your home with a rich, natural aroma that promotes relaxation, improves sleep, and even offers relief from anxiety and stress. The scent is so calming, you'll feel like you're wrapped in a warm hug every time you light it. As you burn the candle, the vanilla infusion delight will fill the air, making your home feel fresh and clean, even after cooking, pet accidents, or smoking breaks. The recyclable candle jars are a huge bonus. Not only are they eco-friendly, but they can also be repurposed as storage containers or planters once the candle is fully burned. Many customers have purchased and reviewed this product, and it's clear that it's a well-reviewed and popular choice. I love using the Fissiworx Vanilla Scented Candle Set during yoga sessions or after a long day at work. It's the perfect way to unwind and calm my mind. The soft glow of the candle and the soothing scent create a cozy atmosphere that's hard to resist. Whether you're looking for a way to relax, or a thoughtful gift for a loved one, this candle set is the perfect choice. It's stylishly packaged, unique, and shows you care about their well-being and comfort. So why not give it a try? Your senses will thank you, and you'll be one step closer to creating a peaceful haven in your own home. As always, links in the description. 1. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.